you have landed on the moon show. In this video, I will show you how you can easily trade both crypto and TradFi assets in a single account. I am talking about YUBIT, which is one of the few exchanges where you can trade both crypto futures and TradFi CFDs like gold, stocks, oil, and Forex all in one account while remaining fully non-KYC. You don't need to complete KYC, and the platform gives you full freedom to remain anonymous. I will show you how to get registered on YUBIT, make a deposit, and place your first trade. And most importantly, there are some amazing bonus campaigns currently running on the platform through which you can earn rewards. So watch till the end. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates from YUBIT and others. Also, please note that nothing in this video is a financial advice. Before we dive in, click on my top link in the description to create your YUBIT account. Sign up using my link below to unlock the latest welcome bonus campaign, VIP fee discounts, and access to crypto and TradFi markets all in one account. If you trade crypto, gold, stocks, oil, or Forex, this is definitely a platform worth checking out. Now, to begin with, first of all, let me tell you what YUBIT is and what it offers. Well, YUBIT is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange founded in August 2020. The platform supports a wide range of mainstream and innovative cryptocurrencies backed by deep market liquidity. It specializes in derivatives and digital asset trading, offering a diverse range of products and trading modes, including perpetual contracts, advanced order types, and margin modes. With a high-performance matching engine, low-latency architecture, and deep liquidity, YUBIT provides a secure and flexible professional trading experience for all users. From a security and transparency standpoint, YUBIT is backed by a 20,000 ETH protection fund, over 100 million USDT in reserves, and a one-to-one proof of reserves system. This gives traders added confidence that the platform maintains strong financial backing and prioritizes user fund security. Now, you can see that the platform offers a clean, easy to navigate user interface. Everything from crypto to traditional assets is accessible in one place. For instance, you click here on markets and you can see both futures and spot crypto pairs as well as the TradFi assets like metals, stocks, commodities, and others. You can literally create an account and start trading these assets on YUBIT almost instantly. The whole process just takes 30 seconds. For this, you click here on the sign up tab. You can create an account using an email or mobile number or your Apple or Google ID. Just enter your email here, create a strong password, agree to the terms of service, and click on sign up. Enter the email verification code and your account is ready to use. Also, you don't need to complete KYC as YUBIT is a non-KYC platform, making it accessible even in restricted regions. Next, you need to make a deposit into your account. For this, you click here on deposit, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, like USDT, select the deposit network, copy the deposit address, and paste it into the wallet from where you are sending funds. On the other hand, you can also quickly buy crypto with fiat money on the platform. But for this, first, you have to complete the KYC procedure. Go to the profile icon on the homepage and click KYC. Click here on Verify Now and provide your email address to verify with SumSub. Enter the email verification code and start the process. Provide your personal information, the verification documents, and a selfie. Once the KYC process is complete, you can buy crypto using the quick buy option on YUBIT. Once you have funds in your wallet, you can place a trade. Now, click Futures here and you can see the futures trading interface. You have got over 500 trading pairs here, from meme coins to major stocks. What makes YUBIT unique is that it offers not only crypto futures, but also more than 100 TradFi CFD products, including gold, stocks, oil, and Forex. Click TradFi, and you can select some of the leading TradFi pairs to trade with up to 500 times leverage, including S&P 500, NAS 100, US 30, Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon Gold, XAUUSD, and Silver, XAGUSD. So you get access to over 500 crypto pairs, plus gold, stocks, oil, and Forex all in one account. You don't need to manage multiple accounts or transfer funds between exchanges. On top of that, YUBIT offers faster execution, helping you catch more opportunities to make successful trades. The futures trading market on YUBIT includes over 500 trading pairs, allowing you to trade digital assets like Bitcoin with up to 200 times leverage. You can select between USDT margin perpetuals and coin margin perpetuals. But before you start futures trading, make sure you have funds in your futures account. For this, click here on Wallets and then Overview. Click Transfer and make sure you are sending funds to your futures wallet. Enter the transfer amount or select Max to transfer all funds. Review the information and click on Transfer. Once you have funds in your futures account, you can leverage cryptocurrencies on YUBIT. To open a position, go to the Futures tab in the menu bar and select the futures contract you want to trade. In this case, I have selected the BTCC USDT margin perpetual. It will take you to the corresponding interface where you can open a position. Here you get a trading chart powered by TradingView with all its essential trading tools. In the order panel, select the margin mode between cross, isolated, merge, and split. Next, select the leverage, and you can select up to 200 times leverage. Remember, selecting a higher leverage poses a greater liquidation risk, so always be careful when selecting the leverage. Next, select the order type. In this case, I have selected a limit order. Enter the order quantity or use the percentage bar. You can also add take profit and stop loss prices for better risk management. Click the TPSL tab and add the take profit and stop loss prices. You can also use the advanced settings to set take profit and stop loss prices. At last, review the order details and click either open long or open short. To close a position, click close in the order panel. Enter the amount at which you want to close your position. Review the details and click either close short or close long to close your position. Now, YUBIT TradFi is the platform's gateway to traditional financial assets. It is backed by a stable matching mechanism and deep liquidity. Liquidity is key, especially for bigger traders, because it allows them to execute large trades with minimal slippage, avoid missed trades due to poor fills, and trade more reliably during volatile market conditions. The platform offers up to 500 times leverage on selected TradFi products, giving you one of the highest leverage offerings on the market, greater flexibility in your strategies, and the ability to trade larger positions with less capital. Additionally, most platforms charge fees for products like gold, indices, and oil, but YUBIT currently offers zero-fee trading on TradFi products, helping you keep higher net profits per trade and making it especially attractive for scalpers and active traders. You can also compare YUBIT's TradFi fee structure with those of other platforms that still charge trading fees on these markets. To trade TradFi assets, click on TradFi in the menu bar and it will take you to the corresponding interface. Click here on Enable Now, accept the terms and conditions, and your TradFi wallet will be created. Next, in the pop-up window, you will have to transfer funds into your TradFi account. Click on Transfer, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, or click Max to transfer all assets, review the details, and click Transfer to confirm. Once you have funds in your TradFi wallet, you can trade these assets. Now, click here and select the asset you want to trade. In this case, I have selected XAUUSD. Here, you have the trading chart with all its essential trading tools. Next, go to the order panel on the right side of the interface and select the order direction between buy and sell. Choose the order type and enter the order amount. You can also add take profit and stop loss to improve risk management. After confirming the parameters, click Closed to place the order. You can view the details of your order under the Positions tab. Now, beyond trading, YUBIT offers some amazing features to its users that I will show you now. But before that, don't forget to click on my top link in the description to create your YUBIT account. With my link, you can unlock the latest welcome bonus campaign, VIP fee discounts, and access to crypto and TradFi markets all in one account. If you trade crypto, gold, stocks, oil, or Forex, this is definitely a platform worth checking out. you can actually spend your profits directly with the YUBIT card. Click here on the YUBIT card tab in the menu bar. With this card, you can spend USDT worldwide, instantly use your trading profits in real life without first off-ramping to a bank, and make crypto far more practical for everyday use. To get the card, click here on Apply Now. Right now, YUBIT offers a virtual card, and the physical card will come soon. Click here on Apply Now, complete your application, and once your card is ready, you can use it. If you're not trading on YUBIT, you can still earn passive income. With YUBIT Earn, you can earn up to 120% APR through flexible, fixed, and auto earn options, allowing you to generate passive income instead of leaving your funds idle. Click here on Earn in the menu bar and you can see several featured plans. Review the APR and select the plan. Enter the amount you want to invest, agree to the user agreement, and click on Subscribe Now to start making passive income. Now that you know how to use YUBIT, make a deposit, and place your first trade, don't forget to click on my top link in the description to create your YUBIT account. Remember, with my link in the description, you can unlock the latest welcome bonus campaign, VIP fee discounts, and access to crypto and TradFi markets all in one account. If you trade crypto, gold, stocks, oil, or Forex, this can be your go-to platform. That's it from today's video. Please drop a like below this video and subscribe to my channel to get more exclusive campaigns and bonuses from top exchanges. See you on the moon again soon. Bye bye.